Bom dia, hello guys, how are you? Como estão? I'm Karolinti from karolinti.com and this is European Portuguese lesson. Today you will learn 3 basic pronunciation tips that will help you to speak like Portuguese. Are you ready? Sejam bem-vindos! I strongly believe that the best way to learn foreign language pronunciation is by active listening.
You have got to listen.
But I do understand that sometimes it's not easy.
Crime de desobediência sujeito a medidas sancionatórias agravadas.
What? Native speakers usually speak really fast, and even book recordings can be hard to follow. That's why I prepared for you 3 basic pronunciation tips with letters in English. E, S, O. In Portuguese, E, S, O. Thanks to them, you will improve your pronunciation and you will speak like a Portuguese. First pronunciation tip: words with letter E termination. Have a look on those words. How would you pronounce them? Take a moment. And let's read them together. A nacionalidade. A universidade. A idade. Grande. While reading, I applied 3 rules. I pronunciate letter E with a sound between letter E and Y. Nacionalidade. Idade. As you could hear, I didn't say open E letter. Keep it more delicate, because as you know, it's European Portuguese lesson, not Spanish.
The word grande.
Grande. And the last one, letter E has to be spoken. Otherwise, believe me or not, you will say it in Spanish. Nacionalidade, idade, universidade, grande. Pronunciation tip number 2. Master your Portuguese pronunciation by paying attention on different sounds of letter S, depending on its position in the word. S between 2 vowels sounds more like letter Z. For example, a sopa, a mesa, a mesa. Letter S situated just before consonants like T or P has a sh sound. Have a look on these examples. O hospital, o hospital. A o jornalista, a o jornalista. And the last one, but the most significant, letter S situated at the end of the word. It should sound sh. As meninas, as meninas, as cadeiras, as cadeiras. Dá para entender? Do you follow? Pronunciation tip number 3. Speak like Portuguese by paying attention to different sounds of letter O, not O, depending on its position in the word. Letter O situated in the middle of the word sounds like O. O professor, a contabilidade, a contabilidade. Letter O situated at the end of termination on, são, should be said nasally with the whole termination. For example, a situação, a situação, a solução, a solução. And the last one, letter O, situated at the end of the word, mainly sounds like o porto, o menino, o menino. Okay, now that you know basic pronunciation tricks in Portuguese, read correctly following sentences. A universidade fica no Porto. A universidade fica no Porto. Os meninos ficam no hospital. Os meninos ficam no hospital. O professor fica em Lagos. O professor fica em Lagos. How was it? I'm sure you nailed it. And by the way, if you want to learn more or if you want to repeat more about the verb FICAR, link to that lesson you can find now here and of course in the description box below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. How is your Portuguese pronunciation doing? Let me know in the comment section down below. Check out my website karolinti.com, and if you enjoy my lessons, consider supporting my channel by making donation or becoming my patron. Don't forget also to leave your thumbs up, share and subscribe. Take care and I see you soon. Até já!